I read the newspaper, I watch the news. See a film, I choose the music. I am not confused or dazed. This song in my head and a photo in my hand, made with my camera in this country. Through the television, the radio, the internet, through every website, a network that never stops. My password is safe, my screen is bright, my keyboard tops the words faster and better. Faster and better. In the shopping center, I look for a price, a discount. At the checkout, I pay, the receipt goes in my bag without struggle. At the baker's, I buy bread. At the butcher's, I buy meat. At the pharmacy, I get medicine for the illness that heals. Through the television, the radio, the internet, through every website, a network that never stops. My password is safe, my screen is bright, my keyboard taps the words faster and better. Faster and better. The police protect, the fire brigade extinguishes the fire. The ambulance comes quickly in an hour of need. At the post office, I send a parcel far away. For the holiday, I plan a trip, a different path. I book a hotel, check my passport. My hobby is reading, my sport is running a good report. I play a game in the park or visit the cinema. I have my art in the museum. My mind makes a leap. Concert is loud, a party is cozy. I receive an invitation, I am a guest, cheerful and delighted. I meet, I talk, I laugh, I dance. This is the life I seize with voice.